1994. It was the year my dad started the company, Intermark Design Group. The core of our company starts with our name, Intermark, Interior Marketing. Through my dad's home builder background, he really instilled the importance of interior decor and marketing working hand in hand to really grow sales.
Building off that platform, our team developed a strategy that mixes trends, lifestyle, and demographics into a look your buyers strive for. We create that I could just move in feeling for your buyer from the moment they walk through the door.
Our process stems from the culture that my dad created, one that looks at the merchandising process from a home builder standpoint. Once our clients send us a floor plan, we dissect it and discuss ways the space is used for the demographic and the buyer.
Our creative team looks at proper scale of furniture and walk flow in a room. We begin the creative process of developing a color scheme and accents that give a home that character and pop. We blend in realistic furniture sizes and trends and marry them all together to create a look that channels your buyer and drives them to buy.
Our creative team is diverse. Our designers are artists, set designers, musicians, architects, painters that come from a variety of backgrounds. This diversity is so important for our industry and gives our clients the benefit of having perspectives from all types of backgrounds.
Our clients can find a lot of stability in our resources. We own and operate our warehouse, which gives us a tremendous advantage over our competitors. We have top-notch warehouse and install team members that have the same shared understanding of our final product, which is vital to our installs.
At Intermark, our trend-forward approach to design, coupled with our technology and logistics management systems, ensure that your design project will have the first impression wow factor you're looking for.